Hey there guys, how you doing? It's great to have you here. I'm Dan Ashendorf. I'm back from vacation. It's all good. Today I wanted to show you something really interesting. It's a new product that's just about to be launched called Leads2List. Now, here is a sales page, and before we jump into it, before we have a look at the funnel and my bonuses and everything else, I just want to explain to you what it does and sort of go behind the scenes a bit so you can really get a feel for what this software does. So you can see the blurb here. It says that it's easily and instantly deposit unlimited Facebook leads straight into your autoresponder. Facebook leads into your autoresponder. No website, no opt-in, no fake emails, unlimited scaling, and so on and so forth. But what does it actually do? Because it doesn't just generate leads, it does something a bit extra. And let me jump straight into this, guys. And what I'm going to do now is go into my Facebook account so you can actually see my ads account. And I do need to cover my user ID. I need to cover the name of the campaign, but you can see that this is a lead generation campaign, and I got 1,491 leads. I've spent on average 74 pence per lead, and I've spent £10 a day. Now the problem with this is the fact that when I get the leads, Facebook doesn't allow you to automatically upload the leads into your autoresponder. Now, why is that a problem? Because if you were to get the CSV file or the Excel file and then upload it, it means you haven't got the real-time interaction. When you've got the real-time interaction, you can basically send things like a welcome message as soon as someone opts in, or you can offer them a one-time offer to purchase there and then at a discount. So there's a whole bunch of stuff you can do when there is real-time interaction. So Facebook doesn't allow you to do that, and this is where Leads2List comes into it. It provides that interface that allows you to, every time someone opts in through a Facebook ad, they automatically get added to the autoresponder. That's the long and the short of it. It's a nice little app. Probably won't tell you that that's what it does, but you will see when we go into the demo momentarily that that's exactly what it does. So having said that, let's have a look at my bonuses. I've got some exclusive bonuses for you guys. Then we'll have a look at the funnel, and then we'll do a demo by the product creator, and then we'll call it a day. So let's have a look at my exclusive bonuses. Hey there guys, so we're going to be starting with exclusive discounts. No one is offering these. You need to write to me at this address to get your discount. It really depends on which upsell you're going to go for or which part of the funnel you're going to jump in on this product. And then we have another tutorial which I've created here. It's called Surefire even Facebook engagement tactics for Leads2List. So we're going to be looking at how to drive the leads, how to make the list actually come to fruition, because the app basically, as I said, it just provides that interface, but you want to know how to generate the leads in the first place, and that's what this bonus does. It's exclusive to me. And then we have something called Facebook Stealth Marketing, serious money hack for Leads2List. This is something I use myself to really grow my list, so we'll have a look at that as well, exclusive to myself through my link. Crushing it with giveaways tutorial. So giveaways is a really good way to build your list. I'll show you how to do that. And then traffic surge software. So this is a specialist software. It's a leads generation software, and it fits perfectly with Leads2List. And then we have a couple more bonuses here. You can see what they are, guys. I'm not going to read them out because it's too much, but the first one is called WP WordPress Amazon Store. Then we have keywords goldmine. These are all products from Cyril Gupta, who's a product creator. Then we have WordPress content spreads. And then we have SEO Harvester. And we have a number more here. Tube Reaper, GR, Get Response, G, Pinger, T-Notify, I'm not going to read them out, guys. There's just too many. But you can see them all. You are going to be getting a ton of bonuses when you purchase from my list. All right, so lots and lots and lots of goodies when you go ahead and purchase from my list. Remember, you're going to be getting some bonuses as well. So really, it's a no-brainer. No one is offering these. Right, so guys, let's have a look at the funnel. Right, so we know that the front end is going to go for around about $27. And then we have the first upsell is called Leads2List Agency. That's going to go for $47. And you can see what it does there. You can create and sell accounts on Lead2List for one time a recurring fee. And for $67, you got the Leads2List Pro. You can see what the features are. So LinkedIn, in addition to Facebook, subscriber, a lead to multiple lists, unlimited Facebook pages, unlimited lists, unlimited autoresponder accounts, and you can sell the product for a service. And then for $27, we got the marketing and training, lead gen marketing and training. So that's that one. And then for $47, you got the List Janitor Pro. So this is for list cleaning and list management, and that really improves your inboxing. So that's really good from that perspective. So guys, hopefully you found this informative and enjoyable. Can't wait for the next one to have a chat with you. I've got some really, really cool stuff. What I'm going to do now is pass you over to the product creator so that we can run a demo so you can see exactly how to set the product up and how to make sure that you use all the features and you really take it to the next level with your Facebook marketing. Guys, I'm Dan Ashendorf signing out. All the best. Bye bye.
This is Leads2List, the latest application from us, and this application is to help marketers who are advertising on Facebook market better. And what it does is, people who are giving lead generation ads on Facebook, they are generating leads, but they're not actually able to use the leads for anything because they just get a list of the leads. So this software connects Facebook to autoresponders, and it connects Facebook lead ads to all the prominent autoresponders like Aweber, Constant Contact, MailChimp, and all the others. So here's how it works, and I will also explain the permissions we need. The permissions we need are manage pages and publish pages. So let's start with the pages permission. So the first step that you need to do to get Leads2List working is to click on pages, and that will show a list of all the Facebook pages that you've already added to the software. You can add a new Facebook page to the software, give the permission to the software by clicking on add new pages, and that will take you to Facebook, and it's going to get the list of all the pages in your account using Facebook API. So these are all the pages in my account, and I can add any page I want to Leads2List. So I can just click on the page, for example this one, click on add page, and that page will be added to my account. And when I go back to the pages section, I will see this page in my account. So here's the page. You can see Jeet's Hotel test page that's been added. The second step is to connect Facebook advertising to Jeet's Hotel test page. So for that, I will need to start an ad in Facebook for this page. So I'm just going to do that. Click on page. You can see I've selected Jeet's Hotel test page, and the objective of this ad is lead generation, because this is an application which connects lead advertisers and lets them connect their Facebook leads to their autoresponders. So just a little digression: to connect an autoresponder, just like we connected Facebook pages, you can also connect autoresponders. Click on autoresponders, and then you will see a list of all the autoresponders that have been already added. And to add an autoresponder, you click on add autoresponder, you select which autoresponder you want to add, and based on what kind of autoresponder that is, you will see the settings for each autoresponder. For example, Aweber needs consumer key and consumer secret, GetResponse needs API key. So whatever is required for your autoresponder to work, that you will need to fill in, and the autoresponder will be added and it'll show up like this one. For example, I have added MailChimp and this is my account name. These are the number of the lists. The second thing that you need to add is the lead form. Now the lead forms are extracted from Facebook using the API. Just like we got the pages, we also need to get the lead forms, and the lead forms are a part of Facebook advertising. So before you can get a lead form, you will need to first start a lead generation ad. So we have started a lead generation ad here. Click on pages. It's going to ask you to accept the terms when you first run it for the first time, so you can read the TOS and you can accept it. Click on accept, and that's it. That's what's required. Then you can add an optional catalog if you want, but for this ad we don't want anything like that. And if you want to put any custom audiences, you can do that. So for this ad we don't require any custom audiences also. So we're just going to keep this generic because I want to take you to the place where we get the forms ad. We get the lead form. So I'm just going to click on continue. And let's go with this image, which is fine by me, and some text. So this is some text, and we can put this in the headline too. And we're just gonna say sign up, which is good for lead generation ads. And then we gotta get a lead form. This is where you create a lead form right here. So click on new form, and you'll be asked some questions like form type and intro and everything. I'm just going to fill it up quickly because this is standard Facebook information. Okay, so I have filled all this info in, the form type, the intro I filled in what information I need, the email and the name. I filled in my privacy policy URL and the thank you screen. I'm going to use the default. And when I'm done with all of that, I can just go on to the next. Click on save. And this lead form will be saved. So it's called Untitled Form 2018 and whatever. I can see the lead form over here. So now I should be able to see the lead form inside my Leads2List interface. Also for that, I need to click on add lead form and select the page that the lead form is set for, which is Jeet's hotel test page. Click on add form. As you can see, I can see the lead form over here, and I can click on add lead form, and the lead form is also added to my Facebook page. So I just added this lead form from this Facebook page, and now we are using webhook technology because webhook is used for to notify our app whenever a new lead signs up, and the lead gen webhook is what we are using, and that is enabled by managed pages and published pages. So once we have these permissions, all of this setup is already done, and people will be able to sign up using Facebook, and their leads will be taken to the favorite autoresponder of the user, and that way the user can actually use the leads and market to the leads. And this software actually makes it practical for internet marketers, website owners, or any businesses to use lead gen ads effectively. And the final step is connecting the lead form ad from the page to the autoresponder, and we do that in campaigns. So click on campaigns, and you can start a new campaign. Let's create a new campaign clicking the add campaign button, and let's call it my campaign, and select the page which was Jeet's hotel test page for us, and you will see the lead form, entitled form that I had set up. Select the autoresponder, which was MailChimp, and just select a list on the autoresponder. So it gets the list from the autoresponders using the autoresponder API. So we can select the list, and if you want to set up a welcome message like thanks for subscribing or whatever you want, you can do so. But in this case, let's go for none and click on add campaign. Now whenever a new lead is generated on Facebook, and you can go back to campaigns and see that your campaign has been added. Now whenever a new lead is generated on Facebook from the Facebook ad, it automatically gets called, it automatically calls the webhook on Leads2List, and it automatically submits the lead to the autoresponder using the autoresponder API. So it happens quite transparently. Once the user has set up the autoresponder, once the user has set up the lead form and connected it using a campaign, then things are pretty transparent. As long as the ad is running on Facebook, the leads which sign up come in directly into the autoresponder. So this is exactly how the software works. This is the entire software. So this is why we need the permissions. The permissions we need are manage pages to get the page information and publish pages to enable the webhook. where we use the lead gen, the lead gen webhook that we need. To enable the webhook, we need these two permissions, and that's all we need actually for this app. So I'm hoping that you will give us a quick approval so that we can take this app live. Thank you very much.